Morning, folks. December 17th. It's my granddaughter's birthday. She's down in North Carolina with her grandmom, her other grandmom. So we're on this fifth wheeler. We're doing this Comfort Heat electric substitute furnace for burning propane. It'll burn electric. I think this one will be like 3,700 watts. So we ran into a couple problems, and I'm going to show you. One, the air, the 12 volt propane furnace blower motor, all the air has to blow through the electric element and then get distributed. Well, this RV didn't do that. I'm gonna show you. This is the best way to do it. Here, you're gonna put you on pause, and I'm gonna crawl there. That's where I've been sticking my body. Here we go. All right, so we're laying down on a job again. We'll turn this around. All right, if you see, that was a cutout. There's your heat exchanger where the fire goes through and it goes out the exhaust. So most of the air was going down into the ducting down there, which is right here. So there was a plenum that fed right into there. So I blocked it off. Now all the air is going to come through here, through the heater element, the toaster element. Then I'm going to force it back down there. But it was, this area is 50 square inches, so I have to equal that flow. So I'm calculating that into the flow itself, just to show you what I had to do. And now, the next step, I got that blocked off, so I'm working on this. I had to change the propane out the way it was, so now I'm getting ready to hook that up. And then I'm going to leak test it before I move on installing all this ducting and all here. And I'll show you what I'm modifying there to get the flow back up. Thank you for tolerating me laying down on a job. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics.